So I'm Adam Fennig with Fennig Equipment, and my role within the company is mainly the sales and the advertising piece of Fennig Equipment. Dad and I, we kind of oversee a lot of the standard business operations. Yeah, that's a great question. It's one that's going to be repeated at this conference several times. Short answer, there's no real silver bullet, but you have to do what fits your operation. We need to build off certain tools that you have, whether it's a high clearance sprayer or a side dress applicator or maybe a fall vertical light tillage tool. We need to incorporate those tools with cover crop seeders to fit your operation. Talking with farmers and doing different projects over the years, we've worked with several farmers that are focusing on interseeding cover crops at that time frame. It's one that's getting a lot of light right now and a lot of interest. We have a lot of experience doing that, building cover crop bars, working with farmers to do that. So we feel with projects we've done and customers we've worked with, we've gained a good bit of experience in that situation. So the advantage there is that you can have a growing crop come harvest. It allows you to maximize the use of the cover crops versus waiting until post-harvest to seed them. You can have a standing, living, growing cover crop basically year-round. Yeah, so that's a busy time right there. Not only are we doing harvests, we may be doing some spreading some fertilizer, doing all sorts of things. So you have to get creative. We're short on manpower the way it is. So we have a corn head seeder where you can seed cover crops at the same time that you're harvesting your corn. We could do a post-harvest light tillage pass. We could do it with a high clearance sprayer with our FE4R cover crop system. There's several ways at that time. You just have to get creative, see what fits you. So Fennig Equipment is deeply ingrained in the no-till industry, starting with the planter accessories that we sell to maximize no-till planter passes. And then you jump over into the cover crops. We deal in cover crops, mainly the seeders, very heavily. A lot of our customers come to these no-till conferences, and it's the only place that I'm aware of where I can spend 3 to 4 days of quality time here getting ready to go to lunch with some of our current customers who have become friends over time. Tonight we may grab a drink at the bar with them as well. So not too many places you can do that. So there's several reasons. I believe that it's a way to, it's kind of like a low disturbance type of deal. You can maximize your return on investments. You don't have to have a lot of equipment to do so. You can save erosion, minimize inputs. It's just a way of cutting back on several things, but maximizing your return on investment at the same time.